cleaned up, baby. Hey, hop in.
Thanks.
Where did he go?
I think he's still out there.
On this road?
I didn't see him turn.
I hear him up there.
Yeah.
I heard him up that road there. Oh, this is freaking bad. Were you riding him and he got away, or what happened?
No, I was just getting ready to hitch him up.
I'm pretty sure I heard his footprints.
Well, he probably turned there because that's our way home. But I don't think he could have turned that fast.
I saw you running first. I said, what's
I tried to,
and then
kind of wave so you see him.
Right when I saw you, I saw the horse right in the middle of the road.
Yeah, he was going to go out on the road at the first driveway there, and I headed him off. Then he...
He'd like to get away from you?
No, he doesn't have a habit of that. But I guess...
Is this the way home? Do you think he's like...
This is the way home, yeah, there he is. So maybe we can get past him sometime.
Or
if he gets off to the side a little bit.
Okay. Maybe he'll just go right home.
Yeah, maybe.
Look, a racehorse.
Yeah, his harness is coming loose. That don't help. Just scares him even more.
Should I, in my high beams, maybe scare him?
I don't know. I doubt it. If he goes to one side,
You want me to try to get past
and
him
if
here?
you
It's
think
far
you
behind,
can, head him
I'll
off
just
before he
reach out
gets
and
to
grab him by the
372.
I'll just reach
That's
out and grab
not
him.
gonna work.
I'm joking.
Yeah, pass him quick now.
Okay.
See if we
Then
can.
what? Then what should I do when I pass him?
See if we can't get him stopped down here at the crossroads.
Oh, he doesn't want to stop.
Hey! Easy, buddy. Easy. Don't let him run into your truck.
Now he's in the grass. He's going this way.
Yeah,
Is this the way
make a
home?
left, yeah.
Alright. He's just going home.
Where's he at now?
Let's see. I got a spotlight in here, but it's buried under my groceries.
He's in front of us again,
Alright.
damn it.
Alright.
I don't want him to get on 372.
I've never been down this road.
Yeah, he's fast.
Yeah, he is.
Oh, man.
There he is.
I did not want him... Uh-oh. I did not want him to get on 372. Yeah, passing quick.
So the car goes
yeah,
up.
never mind. Give him some space. Maybe he'll turn in the farm up here or something.
Is this your place right up here?
No, it's not.
Oh, there's a cow loose too. Oh my goodness.
I've seen that. I did not want him on 372. I'm afraid he's going to get hit.
Alright, well, I'll get by this calf.
But, whatever happens, happens. Give him some space. Let's see what he does. I really wonder.
He'll be tiring out soon, no?
Well,
he's still full gallop.
Just don't get tired very quick.
So is this 372 right here?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah, okay. And is that...
Yeah, pass him quick. See if we can stop him up here on the hill.
Hey, hey!
Nope. What's he doing?
He's behind me,
I can't find the door latch.
Oh.
Well, he got through that. Wow. Well, he's going to be home soon. Yeah, what happened is I was getting ready to hitch him up and he started walking off. So I grabbed the line. He's right down here.
Okay.
So he's going to make the next road left. If he makes it that far. If he makes it that far, we'll be fine.
Okay.
Hopefully he turns.
He knows where his food is.
He got it.
Yeah.
I can't believe he made it this way. This far. Yeah,
he must be hungry.
No, I don't think so. He started walking off, so I grabbed the line to turn him around, and it freaked him out, and he just took off. This is like a very hot Morgan, like very spirited.
Okay.
I don't know if you know anything about horses.
No, I don't, unfortunately.
Yeah, this is.
I used to have a pony as a kid, but that's it.
This is one of the. He gets real wound up and real prancy, you know.
Okay.
Real nice looking horse. And hopefully his harness stays in one piece. Yeah, we're like a half a mile from home now.
All right.
So
No worries, we'll just follow him home.
I guess that's our best option at this point.
And if anybody comes, we'll flash the high beams so they slow down.
That would be helpful. But there's not much on this road usually. Yeah, we went to celebrate my brother-in-law's birthday there tonight, and she's getting ready to go home.
It would have been a long walk for you.
Oh yeah. Yeah, that's the best thing that could have happened, you coming along right then. I would be fit to be tied right now. I don't know where my horse is.
Yeah.
Especially not this horse. And this is like...
Valuable?
Yeah,
Expensive?
he's a valuable horse.
Okay. Is that it right here?
Yep, this is it. Careful, buddy. I'm gonna make the corner. You almost didn't make the corner there. Yep, and then it's right up here on the left, so you can let me off right here. It's fine with me. He's gonna go straight to the barn.
Horse knows the way.
I don't even know how he knows the way. I guess, yeah. I've only had him for like half a year.
There he goes.
Hey, thanks a lot, man.
You're very welcome.
Can I pay you anything?
No, not at all.
Sure?
Nope. You needed a hand and you need some help.
I appreciate it.
You're very welcome. Pay it
That's all
forward.
I can. Hey, thanks a lot.
You're welcome. Have a good night.